This is a quick way to create an isometric box that you can use for creating isometric shapes. So it's actually really simple, but first we need to go to our transform panel right here. And if it isn't open, you can go to window and find it right here. Then go to this drop down right here and make sure align new objects to pixel grid is turned off. So if you have a check mark right here, make sure to click one time and turn it off. This will make everything snap exactly the way we want to. So now we need to pick our polygon tool. Then hold down the shift key and draw a small polygon. Then pick the selection tool, hold down the shift key while rotating the shape 90 degrees. So make sure you have one pointy end pointing up and two vertical lines at the sides. So now we can zoom in to our shape. From here we need to pick the line tool and go to this corner right here and make sure it says anchor. Draw a line from the anchor all the way to the center of this polygon and go down to the center right here. Make sure it says center. Then draw another line from this anchor or center right here all the way up to this corner right here. And the last line we're going to draw is from the anchor or the center and all the way down to the bottom. So here we have the outline of the box, but it isn't actually shapes right now, it is just lines. So to turn it into shapes, we need to select the entire box, then pick the shape builder tool and click one time on each shape. So now all of these sides behaves like shapes instead of just lines. This also means that we can now select all the shapes, turn them into a fill instead of a stroke, so no stroke right here. From here we can color the box the way we want to. So start off by giving all the shapes the same color. I will choose this light blue right here. But this doesn't look like a box right now. So to define the box, we need to select the upper shape and turn this into a highlight. We do this by double clicking on the fill and simply make this color a bit lighter than the other colors. Then select this shape right here, double click the fill and turn this one a bit darker. And you can use the box like this, or you can select the entire box, go to the stroke and give the stroke a color that you like. I will just go for the same color, but just darker. But as you can tell, if I do this and I zoom into these corners, the stroke of these corners doesn't look right. So let's zoom out one more time. Select the entire box, go to this stroke panel right here and select round cap and round join. This will round off these edges right here so they look right again. When you're done, whether you want with or without strokes, simply select the entire box, right click the box and click group. And here we actually have the isometric box. And isometric boxes are cool because they are really easy to use to build other isometric shapes. To build shapes with these boxes, you simply pick the selection tool, hold down the Alt key or the Option key on Mac to duplicate and drag the duplication up like this until it says intersect. And like this you can simply stack these boxes. Let's do one more time. Up like this. And if you want, you can even go to the side, just drag it to the side and make sure it says intersect. And we can drag it behind the other box like this. But as you can tell, this looks a bit weird, and that's because when you're dragging a box behind another box, you need to select the box, right click it, click arrange and send to back. Now it's going behind the other box. Then simply duplicate the box, click send to back and do this one more time. And here we have some kind of isometric M. And with this one simple box, you can build a lot of fun different shapes. Now, if you liked this video, you can hit the like button or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.